Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ikma Denia bin Maliki and my metric number is S67019. So today I want to present my assignment for the subject ACT3101 Financial Accounting and Reporting 1. So this assignment is require me to prepare the statement of cash flow for the year ended 31st December 2022 using either an indirect method or direct method, and the company provide me the comparative statement of financial position as the year end of 2021 and 2022, statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 2022, and additional information of current year transaction. So if we can look at here, we got 6 additional information. So let me go to my answer. The first step for prepare the statement of cash flow is the name of company. For this assignment, the name of company is Rainbow Sdn Bhd, and followed by the statement of cash flow for the year ended 31st December 2022, and I use the indirect method for this assignment. So first thing first, we write the cash flow from operating activities and followed by the profit before tax, which is RM147,750, and the depreciation expenses RM51000, loss on the sales equipment 6600, and the last one is loss on retirement of bond RM1650. So all this amount I get from the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. If we look at here, this is the depreciation expenses. Here is the loss on sales of equipment, and the last one is loss on retirement of bond. Yeah. So I add all this amount and I get RM59250, and I add with the profit before tax, and I get the net cash from operating activities, which is RM207000. Next, we go to the change in working capital. The first one is increase in inventory. If we can look at the comparative statement of financial position, inventory for the year 2022, which is RM312000, and the year 2021 292950, and I minus these two amount and I get RM19050. Next, the decrease in account receivable. This account receivable, and the amount for the year 2022 RM68250, and for the year 2021 79650, and I minus these two amount and I get RM11400. Next, increase in prepaid expenses. This is prepaid expenses for the year 2022, RM7200, for the year 2021 3300, and I minus these two amount and I get RM3900. And for the last one is decrease in account payable. This, if we can look at the current liability, account payable. At the year 2022, we got RM57600, and for the year 2021 67500, and when I minus these two amount and I get RM9900. After I submit this all amount, I add all this item and I get RM21450. and I add with the net cash from operating activities, and I get RM 185550. Next, we go to the cash generated from operation. We got the income tax, which is RM 26100. How I can get this item, which is income tax? If we can look at the comparative statement of financial position, for the year 2022, income tax payable RM 10200, and for the year 2021 8850, and I add to item, and also I also add the item in the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, which is income tax expenses RM 27450, and I will get RM 26100, and I add with the amount above, and I get the net cash from operating activities, which is RM 159450. Next, cash flow from investing activities, which is sales of equipment minus with purchase of equipment. Sale of equipment, I get 13950, and purchase of equipment, I get RM 21000, and if I add these two amount, I can get net cash from investing activities, which is 7050. Next, cash flow from financing activities, which is decrease in bond payable. Bond payable, I get RM 76650, which is 1650 plus 75000. And the next is payment for dividends. Payment for dividends, I get RM 37500. How I can get this amount? I can get this amount from the above, which is the, if we can look at this comparative statement of financial position. Innovation, retaining earning for the year 2022, we can get for the year 2021 RM 124200, and I plus with the this profit for the year, which is RM 120300, and I minus with the year 2022, which is RM 216000, and I plus with the this dividend payable, which is RM 9000, and I get RM 37500, and I add two things here, and I get the total is net cash from financing activities, which is RM 114150, and I add this three amount from this column, and I get net cash from financing activity. I can get net increase in cash and cash equivalent, which is RM 38250, and we plus with the beginning balance cash and cash equivalent, which is 47850, and I get this amount from this, which is from the statement of financial position at the cash for the year 2021, and I add these two amount, and I get ending balance cash and cash equivalent, which is 86100, and this amount is equivalent with the cash for the year 2022, which is RM 86100. So that's all for me. Thank you.